Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to remove my daughter's twist and do a cute little Afro hairstyle for any occasion. Right now I'm just oiling her hair because it's been a day or two since we put the twist in. And now we're going to remove each twist individually, all the way around the head. You can add more oil as needed and just fluff the hair with your fingers. Now we want to continue separating those halves into two more halves. This just gives you a bigger, fluffier afro, but be careful not to remove too many of the curls. See how it's much bigger and has more fluff? You can barely see any of the parts on her scalp. She has a lot of baby hair and she loves edges, so I have to give her what she wants. Now I'm just gonna brush it to one side and pin it up. Now you can just play with it until you're comfortable with how it looks. You can also tease the roots a little bit to make it even more fluffy. Don't tease as much as I did because I accidentally combed out some of her curls.